Look closely at the back of your hand. Do you see how the skin has become thin, almost like tissue paper? Most doctors will tell you it's just part of getting old, but they're missing a dark medical truth. Your skin isn't just aging, it's starving. There are three specific molecular keys your body has lost the ability to hold on to, and without them, your skin is literally collapsing from the inside out. Deep wrinkles and sagging aren't an inevitability, they're often a nutritional deficiency in disguise. Welcome to Wellness Wealth, where we investigate the science of longevity. Today, we're uncovering the three essential vitamins that can act as a biological time machine for your complexion. Stay tuned, because I'm also going to reveal one common morning habit that is actually bleaching these vitamins out of your system before they can even start working. Vitamin C, the master architect. Imagine your skin is like a grand house. To stay upright, it needs a strong wooden frame. In your body, that frame is called collagen. As we pass 60, our construction crew goes on strike. Vitamin C is the foreman who gets them back to work. Without it, your body cannot physically produce collagen. It's the glue that keeps your face from succumbing to gravity. Think of it as reinforcing the scaffolding of your skin so the surface stays smooth and taut. Vitamin E, the invisible shield. Now imagine those skin cells are like tiny, plump grapes. Throughout the day, the sun and pollution act like a hot oven, trying to turn those grapes into dried-out raisins. Vitamin E is your skin's moisture seal. It acts like a protective raincoat sitting on the outer layer of your cells to keep the hydration locked in. For seniors, this is vital because our skin loses its natural oils. Vitamin E ensures your skin feels like silk rather than parchment. 3. Vitamin A, the renovation crew. Finally, we have the most powerful investigator of all, vitamin A, often known as retinol. Think of your skin like a stack of old, dusty carpets. Over time, the top layers get stained and worn down. Vitamin A is the crew that rolls up the old, damaged carpet and replaces it with brand new, fresh fibers. It speeds up cell turnover, which is the process of shedding old skin and bringing healthy, glowing skin to the surface. It is the only vitamin scientifically proven to actually turn back the clock on deep-set wrinkles. The Wellness Wealth Prescription. To recap, you need the Architect C, the Shield E, and the Renovator A. Your daily action plan. The food. Incorporate 1 red bell pepper for C, a handful of almonds for E, and a baked sweet potato for A into your daily meals. The secret. Never take your vitamin C with a piping hot cup of coffee or tea. Extreme heat can destroy the vitamin structure before it ever reaches your bloodstream. Take it with cool water instead. The habit. Look for a topical retinol cream to use at night to support vitamin A from the outside in. Your health is your greatest asset. If you're ready to stop guessing and start investing in your longevity, hit the subscribe button for Wellness Wealth. Let's keep investigating the truth together.